Several card holders have been seeking for a way to delete or remove ad inquiries in 24 hours or less from their credit card. If you're one of them, then probably you are here today and you want to learn more about this topic. So let's discuss about this. My name is Maverick, and today we're going to be discussing how you can delete ad inquiries in 24 hours or less from your credit card. Anytime you apply for a new credit account, such as an auto loan, a mortgage, a credit card, or a line of credit, you can expect the potential lenders to pull your credit card. Yes, that's how it works. A credit card pull is a process that involves requesting a copy of your complete credit history from one or more of the three credit reporting agencies, namely Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The effect of this request on your credit depends on how much information is pulled and when you approve the request. Now, there are two types of pull. The first one is the ad pull, which is also known as ad inquiry, and should only occur with your explicit approval. A record of this request is added to your credit history to show that you are applying for a new credit card. This inquiry notation will stay on your credit report for up to 2 years, depending on the credit score model used. Most inquiries will affect your credit score for up to 12 months. We also have the soft pull inquiry. This inquiry is not being done by you. It doesn't occur with your approval. It's just an inquiry made by the credit card issuer to probably check out your credit record and also see if they can improve your credit limit. So this one doesn't give any negative effect on your credit score. So the soft pull doesn't give any negative effect or decrease in your credit score. But the ad pull can give a negative effect or decrease in your credit score. Leaving that, let's go straight to why decide to remove ad inquiries from your credit report. It helps to improve your credit score. Your score may improve because ad inquiries may depress your credit score for the first 6 to 12 months. If you have them removed before then, you may see a quick boost in your credit score, and also your credit history will improve. And you also stand more approval chances for credit card. The moment you remove ad inquiries from your credit record, you stand more chances of being approved for credit cards by the issuers immediately. Compared to others that might have to wait a long time before they get approval, yours will be quick. And also, you boost your credit worthiness. Too many inquiries in a short period of time can make you seem like a more risk to lenders. When these inquiries are removed, lenders will have to worry less about approving your credit. Next, we're going to be discussing about how to remove ad inquiries. While removing an item from your credit report is not as simple as checking your email, it is not as difficult also as it may sound. So here are the ways that you can dispute and iron out your credit. The first one is by checking your credit report for free. Which is the first thing? You check your credit report from each of the three credit bureaus. The first one, which is the Equifax, the Experian, and the TransUnion. Often the same information is recorded on all the three, but not all the time, okay? And that is why it's important that you check all the three. So the moment you check out these platforms, you can use it to check your credit report, input your information, and use it to check if you have any problem with your credit report. And you can also typically pull your credit report for free once per year on a website called the annualcreditreport.com. which looks like this, and you can use this to request your free credit report and you get the details about your credit. Now, the second is to look for an inaccurate ad inquiry. Once you've received your credit report, here will be the section for ad inquiries. You want to scan over the entire report to make sure it's accurate, but it's important that you pay close attention to the inquiry section. If there are any ad inquiries that is being listed in your credit report, make sure that you recognize them. Alright, it's important to take note that sometimes the company listed that made the inquiry does not match exactly with who you did business with. Okay, and this often happens if a retailer partners with a bank to manage its credit card program. Now, for example, while you may have thought you were applying for a card with a particular firm, you may also have a credit inquiry with a particular bank, which manages the credit card for these two firms or retail outlets. So in this case, you might want to involve in a little bit of Google inquiry for you to make sure that your inquiry is legitimate. The third one is to submit a dispute. Now, inadequate ad inquiries can happen for two reasons. The first is if you're shopping around for a new service, the provider may have checked your credit report without you realizing it. So for example, if you're shopping around for a new cell phone carrier and the company did an ad credit check against your knowledge or approval, with that, you can submit a dispute for that. The second is if you have an inquiry that you don't recognize at all, it could be an honest mistake and it could be a sign of fraud. It's important to reach out to the company listed to check. If it's a fraudulent inquiry, it may be a good idea to set up a credit fees or a fraud alert. In case of either, you want to dispute inquiry that aren't legitimate with each bureau and report that lists to them. When it comes to dispute errors with Experian, you can go to the Experian online dispute portal, or you can send a dispute letter to Experian PO Box 4500, Helen, Texas 75013, or you can check the phone number on the screen and you can report. That of the Equifax is being listed on the screen now, you can see, which is the Atlanta, and you can see their phone number also right there. While that of the TransUnion, for you to submit your disputes, you can see it also on the screen. They're from Chester, and you can also use the information to submit. After the company does an investigation, it should remove the inquiry. If for some reason it doesn't, it will send you an explanation. That is it about how you can remove add inquiries or delete add inquiries from your credit within 24 hours or less. Coming to the final verdict, it's a good idea to check your credit score at least once per quarter and your credit report once per year to check for errors. Free credit report websites can be a handy source to notify you about any new inquiries on your report. That is why this website like annualcreditreport.com, it's a good one to consider to check your credit report from time to time. Before you leave, I would like to gift you this gift of this free ebook. All right, it's an ebook that is called the Credit Card Management Philosophy. So I got access to this ebook, so I decided to also offer it to you, which is going to be teaching you more about credit card management philosophy, just like you can see. And with this, you can save thousands of dollars and manage your money better. Okay. Now, there are a lot of credit card tricks in this ebook that you can learn. It's a short ebook that is just a couple of 22 pages that is going to take you straight to the point on what are the things you have to know, where you discover topics about how you quit pointing the finger and also getting a grip on priorities, beginning ways to clear it up, and also more about snowballing. So with this, you'll be able to learn more about how you can manage your money effectively and also help you to settle your bills, because a lot of people out there are owing a lot of banks and also credit cards companies whereby they are not able to settle their debt, and this is affecting them negatively, which is something I don't want for you. So I want you to also be in a situation whereby you could settle your debt easily, and if there's any card that you are applying for, you can get easy approval because you've built a very good credit score. All right, now having a very good credit portfolio is important because a lot of credit card holders out there have a very bad portfolio. So that is why I try as much as possible to help you out. And with this free ebook, you don't have to pay anything. All you just have to do is to click the link in the video description, or probably if you check the screen, I might also put the link there, which you can copy and paste it on your browser, and it can take you straight to a small landing page or your opt-in page whereby you can input your email address and you can get the ebook. You can download it. There is no upselling, there is nothing. This is just me giving you something for free. All right. And also concerning me asking for your email address is just for you to be notified whenever I have new ebooks, free ebooks that I want to give to you, or free gifts I want to give to you, or also whenever I upload new tutorials concerning credit cards. So that is the reason why I say you should input your email. So that is just it. All you have to do is to click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there and it will take you straight to the page where you input your email address, so you get more gifts and freebies from me in the future, and also sometimes get notified of some important videos that I've uploaded on this channel. So this way you'll be able to learn more about credit card and more ways to manage your credit philosophy and have a very good credit record. So that is it. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials right here on this channel. And I'm going to see you in some other video tutorials. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.